Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer BUSD from Exmo to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets smoothly between platforms, especially with stablecoins like BUSD for low volatility transfers. Whether you're building your investment portfolio or just switching exchanges, this step-by-step guide will get you there quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have verified accounts on both Exmo and Robinhood. Verification is key to avoid any delays or issues with withdrawals. Start by logging into your Exmo account. Head over to the Wallets section and select BUSD from your asset list. You'll see an option for withdrawal. Click that to begin. Now, here's a crucial step. Choose the right network for your transfer. BUSD can be on networks like BEP2 or ERC20. So double-check that it matches what Robinhood supports to prevent any lost funds. Enter the withdrawal amount, and then paste in your Robinhood wallet address. Robinhood provides this in their app under the crypto section. Make sure you're copying it accurately to avoid errors. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including any fees. Exmo might charge a small withdrawal fee, so factor that into your plans. Once you're good, hit confirm and wait for the network to process it, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour depending on congestion. Jump over to your Robinhood app and refresh your portfolio to see the BUSD arrive. If everything checks out, you're all set. Remember, always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security, and never share your private keys. That's it for this quick tutorial. Transferring crypto doesn't have to be complicated. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.